Good morning class. Today we'll do physics chapter 3 energy. Now let's take an example. Suppose you are playing football with your friends in a ground and you are enjoying a lot. Okay. When you come back home, your mother says to you, just go to the market and get a packet of bread. You say, oh no mom, I don't have the capacity to do any work now. I can't go to the market. I am so tired. Why you are saying this? Because while you were playing, your amount of energy decreased. Because you spent your energy while you were playing. So what was this energy? This energy is that capacity with which you were playing. Okay, so we can say that energy is the capacity to do work. Now what is work, children? I am making this video. This is the work. Your mother is working in the kitchen. That is the kitchen work. Your father is working in office. That is work. But in physics, it has got a specific definition. And let's see. What is it? First you see this. If there is a body and we apply a force on this body and the body starts moving in the direction of applied force, then the work is said to be done. But if the body does not move on applying the force, then no work is said to be done. For example, if I am pushing this wall with lot of force, but the wall is not moving an inch even, then no work is said to be done. But now this is your maths book lying over here. It is stationary, it is not moving at all, and I am applying force and it is also moving in the direction of applied force. Then the work is said to be done. Now children, let us keep this in a formula. Work done is equal to force into distance moved in the direction of force. Force which we applied on the body and the distance the body covered is equal to work done. So the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of distance is meter. So work done is equal to Newton into meter. It can be written as Joule, after the name of a scientist, J.P. Joule. Now 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. So 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton moves a body by a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. So the SI unit of work is joule. Now see the unit of energy. The SI unit of energy is joule and other units are calorie, which can be written as cal. Okay, and 1 cal is equal to 4.2 joule. Now children, there is the direct relationship between work and energy. Think when you ride on a bicycle or you run around the playground, you feel tired. What is the reason? The reason is that lot of energy has been spent in doing work by you. So more work you want to do, more amount of energy is required. Okay, so there is a direct relationship between work and energy. Okay class.